From breaking stereotypes to breaking records on field, our guest today represents the rising star and the rising power of Indian women. Welcome to India TV, Shriyanka.
Thank you so much.
How are you doing? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling lovely.
Okay, so on International Women's Day, I want to know that what does being a woman in professional sports means to you?
Firstly, happy Women's Day to everyone, all the women out there, because if not for them, I don't think so we would be sitting here. So I'm really grateful and privileged to do what I love to do because cricket is something which I love playing since I was a kid. My parents didn't stop me. So I think I'm just lucky to be here and so enjoying this moment.
When you initially started playing cricket, did you face any sort of stereotype? Because like being a girl and getting into sports, which is always very men-dominated field. So did you ever face any kind of stereotypes?
Luckily, I've not faced any because my parents were really encouraging me in whatever field I wanted to go. They were like, go for it. They were just supporting in every given step of my life, my career. I've heard my friends say it, but nothing's come to my ears with my parents regarding that. So I'm really blessed again to have such lovely parents.
How important is representation of women in sports for young girls today?
I think any sport, be it cricket, be it football, any sport, I think it's just good to play because not just for career option, but also to be physically fit and mentally be out there. Even if you're choosing a career which is related to studies, engineer, doctor, whatever it is, but if you pick up a sport, I think that will keep you mentally strong and also physically strong.
Tell us something about the World Cup journey. How was it? How did you feel and everything?
Sadly, I wasn't a part of the World Cup, but I was injured. But lifting that first ever World Cup was something surreal moment for everyone back there in India. Like everyone's, we're literally celebrating that victory because we were waiting for that victory for a really long time now. So lifting that cup inspires youngsters like us and many other young children.
What message would you like to give to those parents who somehow prevent their girls from playing sports?
I think knowing their daughters, sons, whoever it is, just to understand them what they love doing. I think if you stop them from something what they love doing, you're just hiding them from the field, hiding them from the country. Whatever they want to do, just go out there, express yourself, and just smile and do whatever you love doing. And if parents have that extra support, if we have that extra support from our parents, I think we can achieve anything and everything because you need their support no matter what.
Do you think the perception of women have changed over the time in sports?
100%. From how it started to where it is now, it's taken a huge step and it's continuing in the right direction. So, looking forward for a huge change moving forward.
Okay, a little round of rapid fire. Batting or bowling?
Bowling.
Your favorite cricket ground to play at?
Chinnaswamy Stadium.
One bowler that you would like to love face?
Amelia Kerr because I've struggled a bit for her now.
Favorite teammate in the dressing room?
Jemima.
Okay, I think we all know the answer to this, but the dressing room prankster.
Prankster, there are quite a few pranksters in our team right now. I think myself, Jemima. So, yeah.
Who is more stricter in the dressing room, the coach or the captain?
The coach.
So, what do you guys do to just, distract him from all the mischief that you people play around?
Whatever jokes we're all doing, we kind of pull him in that joke and just have some fun.
Okay, music or silence before a match?
Any day music. I can't sit quietly. So music, dance, anything. But some josh.
Favorite cheat meal after a big win?
It's dessert for sure. It'll be cake fudge.
Lastly, your message for all the young girls who are deciding or who are trying to step into this field?
I would love to say don't stop dreaming. Whatever it takes, take that bolder step and have that smile on your face always.
Thank you so much for talking to India TV. It was really lovely talking with you, Shriyanka.
Same here. Thank you.